So for this problem, so the foot of a piece of wood placed 7 feet from the wall and the top of the wood rests 15 feet up the wall, then how long is the wood? So if this is the wall, then the ground, and this is the wood. So since in the problem, the foot of the wood is 7 feet from the wall, so the distance from the foot of the wood to the wall is 7 feet. Then from the top of the wood rest 15 feet up the wall, so the height is 15. Then to find the length of this wood, so since this one is a right triangle and this side is the hypotenuse, or this is equal to C, because in the formula for the Pythagorean theorem, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So to solve now for the length of the wood, so from this formula, so we have C squared equals, so A and B can be interchanged. So we can use this side as A and we can use this side as B. So this becomes 15 squared plus 7 squared. So we have C squared equals, this 15 squared is 225, then plus 7 squared is 49. Then we have C squared equals 225 plus 49. So this is equal to 274. Then to solve for C, we need to take the square root. So therefore, C equals, so for the square root of 274, so that's 16.55. So the length of the wood is 16.55 feet. Then to solve for this problem, so how much is the angle formed by the ground and the foot of the wood? So again, this is the wall, this one is 15, this is the wood. The distance from the foot of the wood to the wall, this one is 7. Then we're looking for the angle formed by the ground and the foot of the wood. So this is the ground and this is the foot of the wood. So therefore, this angle is the unknown. So using this mnemonic, so ka, tuwa. So from this reference angle, so this side is the opposite and this side is the adjacent. So from the given opposite and adjacent, so therefore we're going to use the tangent function. So to solve now for this angle formed by the ground and the foot of the wood, so this is tangent theta equals, so this formula, opposite over the adjacent. Then we have tangent theta equals the opposite is 15 over the adjacent, that's 7. Then to solve for theta, so this is equal to inverse tangent 15 over 7. Then theta equals, so for this inverse tangent, so we have shift, then tangent, then we have 15 divide by 7, close parenthesis, equals, so that's 64.98. So the angle formed by the ground and the foot of the wood is equal to 64.98 degrees. Then to find for this angle formed by the top of the wood and the wall, so since the angle from the ground and the foot of the wood, since this one is 64.98 degrees, this one is 90 degrees, then to find this angle formed from the top of the wood and the wall, so to solve for this angle, since the sum of these two angles is 90 degrees, so therefore we can find this angle by this equation that 90 degrees minus 64.98 degrees. So therefore the angle equals, so we have 90 minus 64.98. So the angle is 25.02 degrees.